Hi everybody, I'm Gabby. Welcome back to TaylorToned YouTube channel. And today I have for you an equipment-free thigh workout. So many people ask, Gabby, is it possible to tone your thighs with no equipment? It definitely is. There's going to be a timer at the top of the screen so you can see how far you are into the workout, and I'll also pop the name down below. There's going to be modifications and advancements throughout, so take your appropriate level. Let's get straight into it. Remember to leave me some feedback after the workout down below in the comments section. Coming into your first position, you're going to bring your feet wider than your hips. Now you need a little natural turnout through the feet. So the feet are nice and wide, naturally turned out, and then from here bring the hands up to the waistline. You're going to go drop and drop, go lift, lift up. So you come into a plie squat right now, go lift and lift. We take it down. For two, we lift it up. For two, we go down and down. Go lift and lift. Now, so important here, your knee is going over the top of your middle toe. Go down and down. We go for an up and up. So you're sinking all the way down for two, lifting up for two. You've got it. Go down and down. Go lift and lift. Now, do not let your knees start to roll in. If you can feel this here on the kneecaps, make sure you're really turning out, pushing the knees backwards. Go lift and lift. This is a great one for your thighs, great one for your booty as well. We go press down and down. Go lift and lift. Two more. Then lift and lift. One more. You're going to drop down and hold here. So the tailbone is going nice and low to the floor. The legs are turned out, knees over the top of the middle toe. And you're going to bring your hands out towards the side. I know. Add a little tiny drop. Drop. Go squeeze. Go press. So you're pushing the tailbone low. Go press. Squeeze. You're taking little tiny pulses with the tailbone down to the floor. Now it's so important. Do not let your knees roll in. When pushing, using the back of your thighs, press backwards with those thighs, push down, down, and down. We take 7, 6, 5. You've got to go 4, go 3, 2. Now hold here. I want you to bring your hands, you're going to push them together in a prayer position like you are praying. Make this easier, but we're not. We're going to make it harder. Push the tailbone down to the floor, so the hips are going further down to the floor. Inhale in, exhale away. Now you're going to go tiny, drop, lift, down, lift, press down, lift up. You've got it. Go down, lift. 7, 6. We've got 5. Then we're going to hold. 4 more here. You can do it. Go 3. Let those thighs burn. Go 2. I know you can. Last one. Now hold down. Nice and low. Again, do not let those knees roll in. You want to be pushing them backwards. Can you then put on your highest pair of heels that you own? They are super high. You can barely even walk in these heels. Lift the heels nice and high. Add a little tiny press again. Give me a final 10, 9. You've got to go 8. Push the palms together. Go 5. Go 4. 3, 2, 1. Well done. Give those legs a quick shake off. Now you're going to come into a lunge. So lunge, you can get this so wrong, but I'm going to give you the perfect setup so you can take this away with you. You want 2 90-degree angles through the knees. You want this front knee over the top of the ankle, back knee underneath the hip. Now you're going to bring your hands onto the hips. I want you to tuck your back toe under. Inhale in, exhale. Lift the knee up and away. Now you're in a perfect lunge here. You want to have your weight nice and equal. Now just hold. You are toning even though you are holding. Push the back knee down to the floor. We're going to start by dropping, lifting, dropping, lifting. You've got it. Lift up. Go down, then lift. Now you should feel this through both of the thighs. Go down, lift. Keep going, lift up. We go, little drop, little lift, little down, up. 6, 5. Keep going. 4 more here. You've got it. 3 in that lunge. Give me 2. Last one now. Hold nice and low. You're in that lunge position. Back knee is going down to the floor. And if you can't feel this, really encourage you, is your front knee over the top of the ankle? Is the weight into that back leg as well as your front leg? Now again, try and put on your highest pair of heels and you are going to hold here. Inhale in. exhale away, just give me 8 seconds. Then that front foot is gonna lower down, just go 6, 5, 4 more seconds, 3, you've got it, 2, 1, lower the heel. Now roll, keep the bend through the knees, roll back to the center, and we are gonna hold. Now you're gonna reach the hands out to the side. The arms are gonna go down, then lift, go down, then lift. Really, really quick arm burner. You're in the isometric hold in that plie squat position. Your knees are not rolling in. Your knees are pressing over the top of the middle toe. Let's just get that heart rate up. Get into your calorie burning zone. Go up, down, up, down. We want to make as much muscle as we possibly can because muscle burns more fat at resting than fat does. Burns more calories at resting than fat does. Keep going. Go 7, go 6, you've got to go 5, 4, keep going, 3, you can do it, go 2. Now hold the hands just out to the side, push the tailbone even lower down. Now bring the hands in towards a prayer position. You're gonna roll other way of lunge. So all you're gonna do is invert this knee down to the floor and you're in a lunge position. Tiny drop. Drop those thighs. They should be shaking. They should be burning by now. Press, press. Now add as much resistance as you can with the tailbone to the floor. Go squeeze, squeeze, go press, go squeeze, keep going. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, hold there. The back knee is pushing down to the floor, front knee over the top of that front ankle. Now go ahead, lift your front heel nice and high. Lift it up. Can you get yourself even lower? Now you may get to a shake like I am, you may get to a burn. Do not worry, that is when all the change is happening. So stay in that burn, stay in the shake. Back knee to the floor. You've got 8, 7, lower the heel in 6, in 5, in 4, lower the heel in 3, 2, 1, lower the heel. Do not come out. You're gonna then turn this back leg all the way around and out. You've got it, and then push the tailbone further towards the floor, sink nice and low. Can we go there? You're going to reach the hands over the top of the head, get that heart pumping hard, push the tailbone low. You're going to go press down with the tailbone towards the floor, squeeze, drop, squeeze, add as much resistance as you can with those hips. The lower you go, the more it burns, the better results you're going to get. Squeeze, just give me 10 more pulses. 9, 8, let those thighs shake. You've got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, well done. Give those a quick shake off. Into your final exercise, feet come underneath your hips and then you're gonna bring them slightly wider. We'll come into the squat now. I want you to bring your hands, clasp them together. Then slowly lower the hips down, squat, all the way back up again and lift. Lower all the way down, squat, lift all the way back up again. So easy to do this wrong. Your knees are going over the top of the toes. Do not let your knees cave in. I see this so much. Don't let the knees cave in. You will get knee pain all the way up. I'm going to come on diagonal so you can see. All the way down, lift all the way back up again. Now the feet are firmly on the floor here. Push down, press, lift it back up. You want to stick the tailbone backwards, squeeze the abs in as you lower down. Imagine it's like you're sitting into a chair, but then you change your mind. Oh, you're going to sit in the chair? Nope, you're going to change your mind, lift straight back up again. Keep going. Sinking the hips down, inhale, exhale, lift it back up. Knees over the top of the middle toe. Lift it back up. You've got 5 more here. Sink low. Lift it back up. You've got 4 more here to go. Sink it nice and low. Lift it up. 3 more squats. And then of course, we are holding. Lift it back up. You just got 2 more to give me. Get nice and low. Get those thighs burning out. 1 more. Push low. Now hold your squat position. I'm going to come silent so you can see. Do not move anywhere. You're holding your squat position. Then you're going to reach the hands over the top of the head. We're going to go little drop, little lift. Whew, burner. Little lift, little drop, little lift. So it's like you're changing your mind. Do I want to sit down? No, I don't. I'm getting right back up because I'm toning my thighs today. We go, little press, lift, little drop with the tailbone. Push as heavy as you can with those hips. Let's burn out your thighs. Let's make your legs long and gorgeous. Get in towards those glutes as well. Just give me 4 more here. 3, then you have your finishing move. Last one now, hold nice and low. Push the tailbone low and hold right here. You want to sink those hips even lower. Do not let that weight come forward. You are going back into the thighs, into the glutes. It should burn like mad. Just give me 8 more seconds. 7, 6, 5, get lower. 4, you've got it. 3, 2, 1. Oh, well done. Give those thighs a quick shake off. Take a stretch here so you can balance on something if you like with this opposite hand. If not, you're going to bring same leg into your hand. Quad stretch, knee to the floor, lengthen the front of your thigh. If you can't feel this, tip the hips under, knee to the floor, hip bones push forwards. And hold. Other leg, bring your other toe into your hand, knee to the floor, push the hips forwards, tip the hips under, lengthen this left thigh, just breathe. Well done in your thigh workout today. Let me know how you found that. Drop me a comment down below if you got that burn and you got that shake. If you want to team this with something else, maybe you want an ab workout, maybe you want an arm workout, head back to the YouTube homepage and you'll find it on there. Hit subscribe. See you again next time. Bye.